All right, so in the last video, I showed y'all how to use Loom to record videos and how to put it into your Google Classroom as a link. What I'm going to show you now is just a kind of a short video on how to use your screen, your computer screen, as a whiteboard. So the first thing you're going to do is use Microsoft has a built-in kind of whiteboard. If you right-click here on the taskbar, you can use make sure this Show Windows Ink Workspace button is checked. And then you'll see this thing here. If you click on that, there will be a little download thing here. Click that, and it takes about 30 seconds for it to download. And it'll download and install, and then you'll have it available. So when you open it, there'll be some prompts that you just click through. There's some, user stuff. Just click through that. And then you get to your whiteboard. You should be logged in as you, which is nice. What I like to do when I start it is actually go here to settings and then format background. You don't have to do this. Format background. If you like the white color, you can experiment with different colors if you want. I select the black ones. It's just a little easier on my eyes. And then we have this toolbar down here. This is your drawing tools. If you click check, it closes it. You can type and add text. I guess I'll go through all these. So the inking stuff. So because I switch it to black, if you click on it twice, you can actually set the size here. You can set pick different colors. Since black's not going to show up very well on black, I'll select this white. And then I can start drawing whatever I want to draw. So if I wanted to do, say I was teaching the box method for multiplication, right? So I draw my box out. I'm not a very good drawer. Okay. And say I had, the problem was 4 times 12. I don't know. I'm not an elementary teacher. So 4 times 12, it's cool because you can color coordinate it, right? 4 times 12. We got 10 here and then 2 here. How are we going to explain it? 4 times 10 is, 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 2 is 8. So that equals, add them together, equals 48. However you want to teach it, right? And then you can always erase it. Or if you click out of this, you can actually just move it over. You don't have unlimited space here, but you've got a lot of space just to move it. So if you want it to refer back to this problem, you can just hide it just temporarily by clicking and dragging and drawing something else. And then you can always make sure that your pen tool is off, and that way you can drag it around. Because if not, you can't drag it around because you have your pen tool selected. You can erase it with eraser. Okay. There's rulers and stuff like that. I'm not going to go through all the tools there. And then text. So if you wanted to type something like history of toilet paper. Okay. It's in black. Obviously, you want to change the color here. You can click color picker. You can select white. You can kind of, make it bigger. You can rotate it. So if you want it to have like a whole thing built before, it would be kind of neat, like to have it where you could like history of toilet paper and you had an image here, right, of toilet paper or something. Okay, here we go. That's a cool one. I like that. Okay, history of toilet paper, right? So you could have these pre-built, kind of like you did for if y'all use the Promethean boards kind of thing. So you have history of toilet paper, and you can talk about it. You can draw pictures on it, and then kind of slide around here to another image or another something like that. Or you could take a picture of like their assignment or the problems, and you can actually go here and say, okay, and you can actually draw over it, right? This is where you should do it. This is the way the toilet paper should hang, like this, right, on the roll. I don't know, whatever you want to teach them. But there you go. That's the whiteboard stuff. So you just, as you're recording, you do this stuff and you're done. The cool thing is if you hit back here, it saves. You can always create another one. Okay. Hopefully that's helpful to you. Hopefully that's something that that you're going to use. Yeah.